Presenting a pre-owned 2017 Chevrolet Camaro SS. This two-door convertible has an 8-cylinder, 6.2-liter V8 engine, with rear-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Chevrolet is a great value with less than 40,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 17 miles per gallon in the city, and 27 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, battery saver, smartphone integration, digital odometer, external temperature display, blind spot safety, child seat anchors, parking sensors, power door locks, stability control, traction control, wireless data link, power windows, and window defogger. Thank you for visiting Michael's Motor Cars. Since 1996 we have been the Jersey Shore's premier dealership, specializing in quality automobiles at great prices, guaranteed financing available. Stop in for a test drive today or call 732-775-4444.